everybody, welcome to the ATL. That's Atlanta.
Oh, let's go. Welcome back, Ken.
Thank you. It's Jeff and
Jamel
and
Horace.
Can't miss Horace, huh? All right, let's film the lights.
Let's do it.
Lights, camera, more lights.
Action.
This is what makes all the difference with drones. It's the sensor size and the lens. I'll show you the sensor. The DJI Zenmuse X5 camera uses a micro 4/3 sensor, which allows for fantastic low light filming. All of these devices listed here will shoot 4K, but it is the sensor size which determines the quality of the image. That's what allows more light in. For a comparison between the sensors, this is Jamel's Mavic Pro 2 on the left, filming the SunTrust building, and the Zenmuse X5S camera on the Inspire 2. Both are set to auto, and this is raw, uncolor corrected footage. The dynamic range of a camera describes the difference between the darkest and lightest tones in an image, generally pure black and pure white. The capabilities of these two camera sensors are best demonstrated by how much light each is able to collect in low light environments. Hello. Hello. Bank of America building. Let's fly it. Woohoo. Well, that's it from Atlanta. I hope you enjoyed the lights. By the way, you can social distance from someone who happens to be 9 feet tall. That means their head is 6 feet away from your head. Right? Right. Until next time, buh
And bah.
This video lovingly sponsored by RemotePilot101.com. If you are serious about making money with your drone, whether it be photography or FPV, well, then you're going to need, from the FAA, a 14 CFR Part 107 certification. And the best place to study for that certification is RemotePilot101.com. Jason Shepard is a pilot and author of 8 best-selling aviation flight training books. And yes, taking tests suck, especially government tests. But Jason breaks it down into 10 easy lessons into little digestible pieces that even someone like me can learn from. And if I can do it, you can do it, by golly. Each lesson is streamlined. There's no fluff. Everything you need to know for the test and nothing more. Plus, it's regularly updated, so if something new comes out, a new regulation, or the FAA just has a mood swing, Jason will let you know about it. There's never been a better time to get certified, so get the smarts you need to pass that test at RemotePilot101.com. Use Heron18 to get 30% off. That knocks the price down to $104. Look at that! Boom! Magic time! You wouldn't drive without a driver's license. Don't fly without a UAS license. RemotePilot101.com.
Yo. You know what? You need to chill out. You need to chill out. You need to chill out.
You gonna shoot me now? Come on, let's take off. Ready? Here we go. You got hands, gonna shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot. The coward shoot me. A coward shoot me.
Be careful what you ask for.
A coward shoot me. A coward shoot me. Another leg.
Oh yeah.
That's powerful. How did you touch him? That's powerful.